My name is Padwar. Today video topic name is access modifiers in Java. In Java, modifiers helps to restrict the scope of the class attributes, then constructor variables, etc. It provides the security, accessibility, etc. To the user depending upon the access modifier used for the element. Then next we discuss about the types of modifiers. There are four types of access modifiers: default, private, protected, and public. First one is a default access modifier. When no access modifier is specified for the class, methods, or data members, then it is said to be the default access modifier modifier by default. The data members, classes, and methods that are not declared using any access modifiers, it is a default access modifiers that are accessible only within the same package. Then second access modifier is a private. The private access modifier is specified using the keyword private. The method or data members can be declared private are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Any other class of the same package will not be able to access these data members and member functions. The top level classes or interface can be declared as a private because private means only visible within the enclosing class. The protected mean only then third one is a protected access modifier. The protect access modifier is specified using the keywords protect. The method or data members as a declared are accessible within the same package or subclasses in different package. The next last one is public access modifier. The public access modifiers is specified using the keyword public. The public access modifier has been widest scope among all the others access modifiers. The classes, methods, or data members that is declared as a public are accessible for anywhere in the program. There is no restriction on the scope of the public data members. Then we discuss about the algorithms to use the access modifier in Java. Here are the some basic algorithms for using the access modifiers in our program. First, one is a define a class. When we create a class that is represent the object you want to manage. Define the instance variable that is within the class. Define the instance variable that represent the data you want to the manage. Uh, Third one is a specify an access modifier. For each instance variable, specify an access modifier that is determine the visibility of the variable. There are three main modifier in Java, that is public, private, public, protected and private. The use of private for a variable that is accessible within the class. If you want to prevent the access of that variable from outside the class, then we use the private modifier. This is the most restrictive access modifiers. The and the provides the greatest level of the encapsulation. The protected for variables that should be accessible within the class and its subclasses. If you want to allow access to the variable from the within the class from within the class, then use the protected within the class and its subclass when we use the protected access modifier. Then use public for variables that should be accessible from anywhere. If you want to allow access to the variable from anywhere, use the public access modifier. This is a restrictive access modifier and provides the least amount of the encapsulation. Use accessor and mutator method to manage the access to the variables. In order to the access and modify the variable, use accessor and mutator, that is setter and getter methods, even if the variable have the public access modifier. Even the variable have the public access modifier. This provides a level of the abstraction and make your code are more maintainable and testable. This all about the access modifier in Java.